Many transportation environments, including airports, buses, and other places where people are gathering to move from place to place, they're going to be using LightStrike robots. These are the most powerful UV robots on the face of the earth. In a matter of 2 minutes, these robots have been proven by the Texas Biomedical Research Institute to kill SARS-CoV-2 that causes COVID-19. You're going to see the broad adoption across all transportation sectors, whether that's airports, buses, or any place else that passengers are going through. This technology is important today because these are the most powerful UV robots that have ever been made. They're 4,000 times more intense than any other UV robot that has ever been on the market. As a result of that, they're extremely fast. The San Antonio airport is using the robots to disinfect all of the areas where passengers might cross, whether it's the check-in desks, the kiosks, the gate sitting areas, or the restrooms. The San Antonio International Airport has adopted the LightStrike robots to instill confidence in passengers that it's safe to travel again. The LightStrike robot gives peace of mind to airlines, passengers, everybody that's working in the airport. That airport is as pathogen-free, those planes are as pathogen-free as they can possibly be, so you can have confidence traveling again. People are looking for a disease-conscious lifestyle. They want to make sure when they go into a public space that they're not going to get sick because of pathogens that have been left on the environment. The LightStrike robot is the most powerful UV robot that's ever been made. Since the start of the pandemic, we've seen almost 6 times the demand for LightStrike robots that we had ever seen in the past. The whole idea of disinfection is becoming the norm in the world. Wearing masks is normal, and expecting a disinfected environment when you go into a residence, a hotel, or an NFL stadium. That's what the public demands now.
The Miami real estate market is a hot real estate market. It's always been. But recently it's become a hotspot for COVID-19. And so this is why we brought in LightStrike. This is a great technology to give people a peace of mind, gives our residents and future residents a chance to live in a COVID-free lifestyle. Paramount is the most amenitized building in Miami, probably in the United States. And so the amenities are very important to our residents. They're important to future residents. And we wanted to make sure that we had a great protocol for cleaning. And now we've added additional technology. We like to stay at the forefront of technology by bringing in the LightStrike. We're bringing in a new level of cleanliness, of killing bacteria, of killing viruses.
And how things going?
Going good.
Yeah, tell me what are we shipping?
Looks like we're gonna ship about 50 out today.
Where are they going?
We got it going to Brazil, Peru, Japan, and then several here in the U.S.
Yeah, where in the U.S. you shipping?
We've got some going right here in the state of Texas at Fort Worth. We've got Missouri, we've got Illinois, Brazil, Japan,
Yep.
and a bunch here domestically.
Yeah, we're domestic.
Fort Worth, Texas, New Mexico, Illinois.